Data science and machine learning are emerging as driving forces in government organizations, businesses, research, and many more areas. However, there is a huge gap between the demand and supply of data science professionals. In order to bridge this gap, MET introduces postgraduate program in data science and machine learning in association with TCS ION. TCS ION is a business unit of Tata Consultancy Services and caters to the industry requirements as far as training is concerned. After completion of this course, a student gets two certifications, one certificate from MET and another certification, that is Industry Honor Program from TCS ION. After enrolling this course, you will experience a different learning environment. We do not concentrate on just theoretical concepts, but we provide practical learning, practical teaching methods, and project-based learning environment. Once you enroll here, you'll start working on different real-world projects and you'll get an in-depth understanding of how data science industry works. After successful completion of this course, you are eligible to get into different job positions such as data engineering, data management, data analytics, business analytics, machine learning expert, data science expert, and many more. Anyone who has a graduation degree from any stream can join this course and start his data science and machine learning career at MET. MET is a renowned institution. We have world-class faculty from industry and academia. We have faculty from IITs, IIMs, and other reputed institutions. Few of our faculties are working at Nelson, Aditya Birla Group, and many other data science companies. We have various MOUs signed with data science companies which will provide better job opportunities. As far as placements are concerned, we have 100% placement record. Our students are placed at various data science companies such as Findability.ai, Nielsen, TCS, and many more. At MET, we have developed a state-of-the-art learning management system where you get access to all world-class resources in a single software solution. We provide a mobile app for the same. Anyone can join this course whether from IT or non-IT background. I feel no one is from non-IT background. Everyone has that IT acumen. In order to nurture such kind of students, we provide a preparatory module. This consists of basic programming skills and database technologies along with Excel techniques. This will help you to enhance your skills in data science and machine learning and lay the foundation to take your skills at a different level. As a part of this curriculum, we emphasize on foundations of statistics and machine learning. We cover various tools such as TensorFlow, Keras, Python, NumPy, Pandas, Tableau, Advanced Excel, Hadoop, Spark, Apache Kafka, and many more. We have designed the curriculum in such a way that we add contents as and when required. If a new technology is introduced in next 3 months, we'll incorporate it in our curriculum. As a part of this curriculum, you have to finish 2 internships. One compulsory internship provided by TCS and another internship we will provide. Both the internships are paid internships. This is a one-of-its-kind program which follows blended learning mode. The sessions are conducted online on weekends, and on weekdays recorded videos are provided. You have to go through the recorded videos and solve your doubts on weekends. I extend a warm welcome to all students. Come, learn, experience, and gain knowledge. Wish you all the best.